Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure your system is ready. Check Windows updates and sign into your Microsoft account because widgets pull personalized data. Once done, open Taskbar settings and enable the widgets icon so it appears. Then press Windows plus W or click the widgets icon to open the board. You do this first to grant the app permissions and to let Microsoft services register available widgets. This initial step prevents missing or disabled widgets later. Now you add and shape the widgets you want. Click the plus sign or Manage Widgets to browse available options, then add by clicking Add or dragging the element onto the board. You can resize using the handles and reorder by dragging. This controls visibility and density. Make sure to customize each widget's settings, for example, set the correct location for weather or choose interests for news, because personalization makes widgets relevant and reduces noise on the board. Finish by locking or saving your layout so widgets stay put, then sign out and back in to ensure preferences persist. If a widget won't show or updates don't apply, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager. This often clears UI glitches. Also check privacy and background app permissions because widgets need access to location and data. If problems persist, install pending Windows updates or reinstall the widget pack to restore missing functionality and dependency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.